How to cancel your subscription in TradingView in 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you need to open a web browser and log into your TradingView account, and then you have to just simply click on uh, your logo and go to the settings and billing options. And after that, you have to simply check for the subscriptions or payment methods. You just have to simply click on the subscriptions. As you can see, this is the basic forever free current plan. So if you are registered or subscribed to any plan on premium plan, you can see there will be an option like cancel subscription and all. You just have to simply click on the cancel subscription and follow the instruction further, and you can just show a cause why you want to cancel the subscription, and from the next month you will not be charged or any money on your credit or debit card, or any payment method you've used will not be charged any fees for the TradingView. So that's it for this video. That's how you can cancel the subscription on TradingView, tradingview.com. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.